These things are the last step in bringing power to your home. They're called distribution transformers, and they need help. See, transformers are most efficient at 85% load. Our grid, however, is frequently operating above this threshold. This is only going to get worse with the increasing number of electric vehicles and faster charging technologies. What this means is a lot of the power we generate is being wasted through losses, and the lifetime of these components is significantly reduced, almost to half. Given that these transformers make up 80% of the assets of a local distribution company, this is a huge problem. That's where we step in. We have developed a novel combination of rotary transformer and advanced flywheel storage technology. But what this means is this is a transformer that can store energy. This allows us to operate in parallel with existing infrastructure to maximize efficiency and lifetime of all components. Here's how it works. Consider your average neighborhood. You've got your grid supply, transformer, and your load. During peak times, the transformers are overloaded and efficiency drops, like we talked about. With our components in place, the load is shared, and the percentage of the energy storage is used to help offset the peak demand. This is what allows the transformers to reach their maximum efficiency. Now let's say a vehicle comes along and wants to charge up really quickly. Well, our units also offer the perfect connection point for DC fast charging systems where vehicles can charge up without affecting the grid. In the case of a blackout, our units will use their remaining storage to keep the lights on until power is restored. These are some of the big players in this massive grid technology market, but what sets us apart is our technology allows us to place storage at the optimal location in the grid, a point which these companies currently haven't attacked. What's more exciting is our technology actually enhances the products of these other big companies. So in essence, we don't have to compete with them, but rather they want us in place to allow their products to reach their maximum potential. For example, a battery pack produced by Tesla or LG could plug directly into our system, which would take care of all the integration and nearly double the lifetime of these battery storage units. With our one solution, we sit at the intersection of three massive and growing markets: vehicle charging, distribution transformers, and energy storage. We've spoken to Electrify, the producer of advanced vehicle charging systems, who has recognized that our solution is what would enable widespread DC fast charging technology. As well, we met with Viridian, one of the largest power distribution companies in Ontario, who has recognized that our solution is very exciting and they're willing to implement pilot projects as soon as we reach a full-scale prototype. So who are we? Well, Mohammed brings extensive electrical experience to the team through his work as a PhD candidate and published researcher. I myself bring the mechanical and business operations side through leading numerous complicated engineering projects, one of those being building an electric car from scratch. Chris brings the necessary financial aspect to the team. We are Intelline, and we are harmonizing the modern grid. Thank you.